Hello, guys. Welcome to this session with me. So, today I'm going to analyze the market for my day trading trades. So, you see me pick trades again today, analyze the market for time frames, and then pick my trades for the day. So, let's start. So, first, let me clear my charts. Let me select a new as class. I'm going to analyze. So, starting with crypto today. So starting with BTC. So I'm starting from today. So I'm starting with BTC today. This is my watch list here. So I'm going to clear the charts. Everything will be cleared now. So now I'm going to go to my higher time frame to pick my entry and exit. So to see the clear picture, to know where price is coming from, and to also know where price is going to next. So now on that time frame, Bitcoin is on downtrend for some months now. You can see it's a massive downtrend. So what should be the next thing I should do here is very simple. So now for a downtrend market, I could have just looked for short opportunities, but because this there's a bounce on a key zone on weekly time frame, you can see this high level of this is strong support, and there's a strong uh bullish price action that I'm seeing here. So guys, some bullish move for a while now. So it can go up to this level, to 35k level. That is what I'm hoping to get to before, at least if it will ever drop again, for it to reverse something like this, and then if it's gonna come down like this again. So let's say it will go. So now we are here. This guy is, you know, downtrend. So now we had a breakout of this smaller zone. You can see, meaning, so the power trend is downtrend, but the current move is bullish. You can see at support level. So I can see some, I can look for some chances to buy on lower time frame and trade. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. You can see we had a breakout of this range zone, and now we had a retest of it, this beautiful long wick candle. Now if I want to take a buy now, I can say I want to buy this guy now. I can buy right here now, and if I buy, I'm buying to this level. That is the possible zone. But I think, let me check something to the left side. So that's smaller zone. Yes, there are smaller zones as well. I think to the left side, we look. So that's the major one. So that's the major zone that can stop price. This zone. Yeah. So I'm buying to this level. To this level. So for good to take some good trades, swing trade come, so buy to this level, that stop loss below that zone. So this is a buy signal now. You can buy BTC now. You can put stop loss here. Depending on your choice, you can put it right there, you know, anything you like. So it's a buy signal for me. Why? Because of this previous candle, you can see this tiny candle that rejects that zone. It's more like a test of the broken resistance zone. Let me remove this again. Let me show you on lower time frame. You can see it's a retest of that zone. So this is a bullish market for me. Yes, the bullish market. Now we had a higher high already formed right here. It's broke above the zone already to tiny. So you can see it broke out of this smaller down lower time frame downtrend. So this is a buy. for me on Bitcoin. Now, the most important thing is risk management. That's the most important thing buying to this level. So for Bitcoin, buy. So when you know how to manage your risk, no matter what happens in the markets, you will always be profitable. So now my TP, I would like to take profit first TP at my first one-to-one ratio targets. First take at least take half and then move step loss to entry. So if price reach this level, I will take half my profits right there. I'm must close to entry. Then let the red minimum right and take profits occasionally as begin to go in my direction. So something like that. So the next TP will be here. That and however, how price approach this zone, that means I'm going to take my next TP here or just let everything got in this point. If it's moved massively well, I'm going to leave it. There's no ranging market movement. So that's how it is done. It is not complicated at all. It is not hard. Just proper market structure knowledge plus good risk to reward ratio plus good risk management will set you up. So this BTC for me is a buy. Now let me go to Ethereum. Now I've seen BTC. Let's go to Ethereum next. So um, Ethereum is next. Same thing. Daily time frame to see what market is saying there. It's the downtrend. So good. So let me see where price is coming from. So on weekly for Ethereum, we had a good bounce from support. Nice one. So this is a so we hope that we bounce to this level. 24K, okay, at 2,400 level. So that's how it will bounce to. I can put it to buy, yeah, 2,400 level. It's still a downtrend here. It's a downtrend mark. Yeah, so is the next key zone. Oh, so let's say this structure is a little different from BTC structure. So let me say, remember these are zones, not straight line like I draw them, just for getting the average level. So this is a downtrend here, and then we are having an uptrend here. So price seems to be jetting the zone. So spot rated there, and then now this is a little bit kind of complicated for like BTC. Overall, for now, this guy is looking more bearish to me. It's looking more bearish. We had a support here. So if you want to risk it. So now I'm seeing already some bullish price action. Yes. But the structure, and that's the most important thing in trading, the market structure. Go to ensure that you are buying at the right structure. So if Bitcoin go up, it will drive them a little bit as well. So sure that's so buying to this zone. Stop loss here. So it's a good, had a bullish move up to that zone, but it's a double top here. So I'm not confident on this enough. So I want to go for BTC buy than this Ethereum buy. So then go for Bitcoin buy. So I'm taking this BTC trade, the Ethereum trade. Yep, taking BTC trade. So let's see how it will go. It has a bigger risk to reward ratio for me. So I'm going to I'll enter this trade now on my Binance Futures account. Let me enter the trade. So Now I just enter the trade now for BTC buy. So the next coin I would love to check out is BNB. Same process. Now I did this analysis for a student of mine yesterday. Yeah, you can see I did for the buy anticipation already. I did it for BNB. It's going to come to this level and buy from here. You can see what's already happening now. It's following the process. So let me check it again from as usual. We start from high time frame to lower time frame to look for entries. So we're having a bounce from support here. It's coming to this level. It's already there already, almost there. So daily. Overall, it's still downtrend, but just look for a quick based on the point market move. So you cannot expect this to move massively well because the overall structure is still downtrend. So the buying we are seeing now can be just a small pullback to sell more. So and I would love to be selling if I come to this level, I might be selling. If I see a good price action here, I might be selling a BNB2 later. So before we get to the sell, at least I just take some money from the current small bullish move we are seeing for now. So the downtrend, an uptrend, it broke. This one is an uptrend now. It broke this minor resistance and they came up to this level. Now price got to this level. We had a lot of rejections, and then price did pull back to this smaller zone of support. We are there, as you can see. And this is and look left is a key zone with multiple touches. So price did pull back here. Now, if you look at this strong rejection can actually happen right there, if you have just take a buy with that rejection candle, you see that a retest of this broken resistance zone, you know, yesterday, and so we want to enter with a more sure method. I mean, a sure price action zone that price will keep begin to move in direction immediately after you enter the market. You can wait for a sure market price action before you take your trade. So this is a ranging zone now. You are the ranging zone at the top here. This is ranging here. This is the ranging markets. So now you want to buy now, you could have, wait for price to break out of this zone and test it, something like this. Then test of it, then you can take your buy up to the next resistance zone. You already mark on the higher time frame to here. So for now, this is the ranging markets. If I want to buy and take some risk, if you have the liver to do that, you have the proper risk management to do that, you can want to, but to be on the safer side, you might want to go for quality trades, not low quality trades. So from here to here, it's just ranging. So go for a breakout and a test of it, then you can take your buy. So it's very easy and very simple. This for BNB. So I'll stop this recording here. I'm going to do analysis for other crypto assets for today, and then also check out other forex pairs too, and see where I can take my trade from forex as well. So see you in the next video.